So mga ka-J-Vlog, Maring Ana here and this is another vlog takeover. So for today's video, we are going to discuss about Xiaomi Redmi 14C. So i-check natin yung camera ng Xiaomi Redmi 14C if okay pa ba yung camera niya and kung ano ba yung quality ng mga pictures and videos ng cellphone na to. So ano pang hinintay nyo mga ka-J-Vlog? Let's go! So yes mga ka-J-Vlog, you heard it right. So for today's video naman, Android naman na camera ang ating i-check. So quality check tayo ng Xiaomi Redmi 14C. I-check natin yung kanyang main camera, yung selfie camera, and also when it comes sa video. Kung gaano ba kaganda yung video, kung gaano ba kaganda mag-capture ng video itong cellphone na to. But before that, mga ka-J-Vlog, I just want to share some quick specification review lang when it comes with this unit. So, nabili pala namin si Redmi 14C sa Shopee. So, meron nga pala tong 5 colors, which is yung black, purple, and blue. So, itong nabili namin is 4GB 128 yung kanyang storage. At nabili namin to amounting of 4,699. Pero meron sa Shopee na 3 variants si Redmi 14C. So, meron siyang 6GB 128 and then 8GB 256. So, ito, yung 4GB and 128 gigabytes, that is 4,699. Pero yung 6GB 128, that is 5,699. And then, the last storage is 8GB 256 and that is 6,690. So mga ka-J-Vlog, kung gusto niyo bumili ng unit ito, ilalagay na lang namin sa description box kung saan nga ba yung legit shop na makakabili kayo ng Xiaomi Redmi 14C. But suggest lang namin mga ka-J-Vlog, pag nagpa-purchase kayo ng unit sa mga online shops, make sure na nasa legit store kayo ni Xiaomi. Siyempre, makikita naman ninyo yun pag nasa Laz Mall kayo or Shopee Mall. So, quick specification lang kay Xiaomi Redmi 14C. So, meron siyang display na 720 by 1640 pixels na merong IPS LCD display na merong 120 Hz refresh rate. Sa OS naman, meron siyang Android 14 with HyperOS. Ang CPU niya is octa-core 2.0 GHz na meron GPU na Mali G52 MC2. Ang chipset niya naman mga ka-J-Vlog, that is MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra. So this is good for gaming already. At meron siyang dual 50 megapixel main camera at single camera which is 13 megapixel. So, let's check yung camera niya if maganda pa ba or maganda nga ba. And aside from that, mga ka-J-Vlog, again, ang binili namin na storage is yung 4GB 128. And good thing about this phone, this is already 5,160 mAh battery. Alright, so next naman mga ka-J-Vlog, i-check na natin yung camera ng ating Xiaomi Redmi 14C. So, let's try to check first yung kanyang main camera. Try to check natin yung 1 and also yung 2. And aside from that, pwede mo siyang i-zoom up until 10. 10 times yung zoom niya. Meron din siyang portrait. Ayan. May portrait, may night, video. 1 and also 2 times. Ayan. Pwede mo siyang i-zoom up until 6 lang sa video. When it comes sa video. Photo. Ayan. Pwede mo siyang i-zoom ng hanggang 10. May time-lapse din siya. So, you don't have to worry when it comes sa camera nito mga ka-J-Vlog. Maglalagay naman ako ng pictures within this video sa camera sample itong ating Xiaomi Redmi 14C. So, magpe-picture lang ako saglit. Yeah. Picturean lang natin itong ating this one. So, ito yung ating 1 and then, yun, 2. So, this is indoor sample ng camera ng Redmi 14C, no? Portrait, let's try to check portrait also with a different, you know, sample, of course. Let's try to capture this one using portrait. This lip tint is from my friend, which is Eka. This is her brand, Calliope Cosmetic, with the shade of Luna. So, sa mga gusto mag-purchase ng lip tint dyan, ayan, may offer ako sa inyong lip tint, which is affordable din naman. And that one is good also. This one is the portrait. Okay. So, ito yung portrait niya. Ganda din ang kuha ng portrait niya. Then, ito yung times 2 na camera ni 14C. And then, ito yung 1. And may napansin din pala ako dito mga ka-J-Vlog. Pwede mo din pala siyang lagyan ng watermark. If ever na gusto mong, i-share kung ano nga bang unit na ginagamit mo when it comes sa camera. Pwede dito. And then, meron din customized watermark in here. Ilalagay mo lang dyan kung anong gusto mo ilagay sa watermark mo. And aside from that, let's see also if, yes, meron din sila filter. Ayan, so may filter sila dito. May cinematic, bright, blue dream, pine, negative, 600 Fahrenheit, or 600 F. And there have a lot of choices when it comes to filter. There you go. And then, meron din silang beautify dito. So, kung gusto nyo sobrang kinis nyo sa mga pictures and videos, yes, they also have an option to customize that. And that is up until 100%, of course. There you go. HDR, they also have HDR in here. You have an option to turn off and turn on the HDR. And then flash, of course. They also have flash. There you go. So, meron din siyang Google Lens. Good, okay. So, Google Lens, guys, you can capture some documents if ever, or if may homework kayo, ganun, pwede nyo siyang i-try. Let's try to, this one. Capture natin yung box. Ayan, diba? Tinry kong i-capture yung box, which is yung Redmi 14C. And there you go. There's a lot of photos with Redmi 14C. Try naman natin yung video niya. Okay. Try muna natin. So, this is a video sample of Xiaomi Redmi 14C. As you can see, ayan, malapit ako sa aming bintana. Ayan. And this one is my setup. Ayan yung quality ni 14C. Well, actually sa indoor, okay naman siya. Ganda din ang quality ng 14C, Ganda ng quality niya, to be honest. So, let's try naman yung back camera niya. So, video sample of Xiaomi Redmi 14C back camera, and this is the quality of the video. There you go. Charmander and Squirtle. May kape pa ako dyan. Ayan. So, this is my setup. Medyo nanginginig lang yung kamay ko. But yes, the quality of this phone is good also. Zoom in natin. Try to zoom in. With 6. Yeah, that is the 6 times zoom in for the video. Okay, so that is a video sample for indoor. And yes, mga ka-J-Vlog, that is a video sample of Xiaomi Redmi 14C. If you are going to ask me, Maring Ana, okay pa ba si Redmi 14C for beginners ng ating mga reels, vlog, daily vlog, something like that, TikTok? Sa TikTok, I'm not sure yet since wala pa akong review about this phone, but I'll be creating some also. You can check my TikTok, which is a.storiesph. You can also follow me there para makita nyo yung quality ng phone na to. Sa camera itself and also sa videos sample, yes, I can consider this phone, aside from being affordable, I can consider this one worth it within this year 2025. Pag gusto nyo mag-set up or magsimula ng daily vlog, short video clip, reel, something like that, you can consider this phone po panimula sa mga ganon. Pero syempre, mga ka-J-Vlog, meron naman kasi option si Xiaomi Redmi 14C na 3 storage, which is yung 4GB 128, which is the one that we did purchase, and also meron ding 6GB 128, and then meron 6GB 256. So price difference naman between 6GB and 128GB, 1,000 lang naman yung price difference nila, kasi the other one is 5,699. For me, mga ka-J-Vlog, kung meron naman kayong enough cash, like 5,699, go ahead and purchase the bigger amount of storage, which is yung 6GB 128, 6GB 128. Kasi, syempre, asahan nyo naman na, for example, na try kayong magsimula ng videos, short clips, reels, TikTok. Syempre, may mga storage na kailangan talaga doon, of course. And sometimes, that will be the reason why nagkakaroon ng lag sa cellphone or delay sa cellphone when you're trying to use the cellphone. So, I suggest na instead of purchasing the 4GB 128GB, go ahead and purchase the 6GB 128, which is the 5,699. You can buy this one at sa Shopee and also Last Mall, Shopee Mall or Last Mall. Make sure lang na pinapurchase nyo to sa mga legit shop sa Shopee. And aside from that, I know naman din na may mga, followers tayo dito na gaming din ang hanap. So, kung into gaming ka, and also you want to, vlog, I suggest to go with 6GB 128GB talaga. Wala namang problem if ever na ipapurchase nyo si 4GB 128GB. But, since 1K lang talaga yung difference ng presyo nila, kung ako talaga tatanungin, I'll go with that one. Reason lang naman kung bakit namin pinurchase yung 4GB 128GB is for us to review this unit and also share din sa inyo kung ano ba yung quality ni Xiaomi Redmi 14C. And yes, that's it mga ka-J-Vlog. Again, maraming salamat po sa mga nanood ng ating quick camera review when it comes sa ating Xiaomi Redmi 14C. Once again, Maring Ana is back. And stay tuned lang mga ka-J-Vlog kasi hindi lang naman tayo into iPhone. Then sa mga camera, meron din tayong mga Androids na i-review in the near future, of course. When it comes, comment lang kayo dyan mga ka-J-Vlog kung ano bang mga gusto nyong unit na i-review pa natin when it comes sa camera, sa TikTok. Try nating isa-isahin yan mga ka-J-Vlog and try nating bilhin yung mga yan para lang i-share sa inyo yung quality ng unit na yan. If affordable ba or if worth it ba yung unit na yan to purchase within this year. So that's it mga ka-J-Vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow us, especially si J-Vlog within this YouTube channel and then within this Facebook page. Again, I also have TikTok, which is a.storiesph. Ilalagay ko yung link yan sa description box. Try to check the link below and then follow me. So that's it and see you let's sa ating next vlog.